Here it comes. This is the used air wrench. Bought online. For $63. Though it still runs. It's in bad shape. It can't do its job. To fully restore it, he spent another $63 on spare parts online. Adding it up, the cost is over $120. Let's see if it was worth it. From its performance, this air wrench can still spin and hit, but it lacks power. Torque is low. The reason is simple. After long use, inner parts wear out, especially the rotor blades, which act as pistons. They must fit tightly for a good seal. High pressure then drives the rotor. If wear causes air leaks, power drops. Besides the blades, the oil seals, bearings, and O-rings are also worn out. These can't be fixed. They must be replaced. Now we take out the core component, the twin hammer mechanism. These two oval blocks inside the frame are the hammers. They provide the power. When working, they don't just push the shaft. They rotate with the frame, store energy, and strike the shaft. The tighter the bolt, the more energy builds up. Each strike releases huge instant torque, higher than the motor alone. This cycle of spinning, storing, and striking lets the wrench remove rusty or stubborn bolts that normal tools can't. Besides the twin hammer, there are other mechanisms. We'll explain those later. Right now, he has fully disassembled the wrench. Next is sandblasting. High pressure air blasts hard steel grit onto the part's surface. This removes rust and old paint. The impact leaves tiny pits, creating a nice matte finish. Sandblasting is done, but there's a new issue. The old rust caused many pits on the surface. To fix this, he applies this cold weld compound as a filler. After mixing with hardener, it gives about 25 minutes for shaping and filling. Then wait 15 to 24 hours for it to fully cure. This ensures max strength. After that, you can sand off the excess. Besides the outside, the housing's inside needs careful sanding too. Next, he uses powder coating to paint the housing with red powder. This powder uses static electricity to coat evenly. Unlike spray paint, you don't worry about uneven coverage. Next is high-temperature baking. The final finish looks great. Then the small parts are sandblasted and cold blued for protection. This means applying bluing liquid and soaking them in oil. This creates a strong oil-coated oxide layer. Next up is the power dial and reverse switch. They are fine, just needing sandblasting and a quick polish. Their function is simple: to control airflow and direction. Finally, the main shaft. It's also in good shape. Just needs a good polish. So, all parts are ready, including the new replacements. Next step is full assembly. Meanwhile, let's quickly talk about the other impact mechanisms mentioned earlier. There's pin clutch, rocking dog, 2-jaw twin cam, 3-cam and twin hammer. First, pin clutch is an early type. Cams push pins to strike the anvil. 1 strike per turn. It's cheap and simple, but hits slowly. Rarely seen now. Second, rocking dog. It uses a rocking hammer to strike. Under high resistance, the hammer disengages to deliver a blow. It's very durable. Great for long jobs. Third, 2-jaw. 2 jaws lock with the anvil to turn spin into impact. Compared to early types, it delivers more torque in a smaller size. So, it's found in big industrial wrenches. Fourth, twin cam. As named, 2 cams control the hammer to strike. The design is highly durable. It balances torque and lifespan. It's widely used in industrial and heavy-duty repairs. Fifth, 3-cam, an upgrade to twin cam, offering improvements. It optimizes power transfer for smoother torque, less vibration, plus independent lubrication to reduce leaks. It lasts even longer. As for twin hammer, the most popular mechanism, it defines modern, high-performance air wrenches. Compared to the rest, its main edge is combining high torque, fast strikes, and durability. 2 hammers strike together on the anvil, making impacts even. Torque is higher. Vibration is lower, and it's stable for long use. Right on time. After that quick guide, the assembly is done. Now this heavily used air wrench is fully restored. Wow, it runs so smoothly now. What do you think of this restoration? Was the $120 well spent? By the way, check out the official website. For this brand, a new model of this spec costs hundreds of dollars. So this seems like a great deal. Let's look at how it started. That's it for this restoration. Thanks for watching. Happy times fly by fast. Time to say goodbye. Once again, thanks for visiting Max's Restoration Zone. Bye.